Hurricane Ida made landfall officially at Port Fourchon as a Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. As predicted by the National Weather Service, this is one of the strongest storms to make landfall here in modern times.
This is the time to stay inside. Do not venture out. No sightseeing. This is very serious. We need you to stay in from this point forward all morning, all afternoon, all evening. Now is the time that we have been preparing for and even waiting for as it relates to Hurricane Ida. Again, this is the time. Heed all warnings. Ensure that you shelter in place, you hunker down.
Once the storm has passed, you need to be prepared to shelter in place for the first 72 hours. You should know that the entirety of the Louisiana National Guard has been activated, and currently more than 4,900 guardsmen are out in support of current operations. And I know it may not seem this way right now for many people out there across our state, but there is always light after darkness, and I can assure you we're going to get through this. And I do invite everyone to offer up a prayer for our state, for the people of our state, that we get through this just as soon as possible and in the best possible shape with the least loss of life. You know, property is replaceable. Lives are not.